We're finally here at the land of views, tan lines, and a little bit of trauma from the waves. Halika na sa Bali!
For 5 days, we explored beaches, food, island tours, and even luxury clubs on a budget. So, if you're planning your first ever Bali trip, here's a Bali Travel Guide 2025 with full itinerary, real expenses, and some travel tips para hindi ka na ma-stress gaya namin.
First meal in Bali. Nasi goreng seafood. If you saw the first part of this series, alam nyo nang nasayang ang halos isang araw namin sa flight pa lang. Pero sabi nga nila, just enjoy the show, I want my money back. Kumanta siya. Kung hindi mo pa yun napapanood, nasa description yung link. This next part is our Nusa Penida adventure.
Nag-check-in kami dito sa Sanar Agong Hotel. Simple pero may pool, budget-friendly, and more importantly, it's near the port. The plan was to rest because bukas ay maaga pa nga alis for the fast craft going to Nusa Penida.
From our hotel with all our bags, dito kami sa The Angkal Fast Cruise pinapunta ni Kluk to get our fast craft ticket. Nakasama sa kinuha naming Nusa Penida tour package.
Oh my gosh! Aray ko.
Hello mga ka-Barbie, we're here sa port, Sanur Port. Sabi namin bitin! Hindi nakakaganda! Same.
Hi ma'am! Ay ganda! Yes, pack!
Pero ang ganda ng port nila. Ang ganda ng port nila.
Tourism ano talaga? Ano yung gamit?
Hindi ko talaga alam.
Ferry tayo, ferry ha. Ang pangisnan.
Akala ko kasi pang-island hopping na.
Yun nga talaga, tuwan-tawa ako kayo sabi ko, be ferry.
So, yeah. Okay, bye muna. Napapagod na ako. Punta na tayo ng Nusa Penida. We're here sa Sanur Port. So, ayan. Ilang hours ang biyahe na tong fast craft? 1 hour daw yata. So, see ya guys after 1 hour kasi naguguluhan na kami. Hindi pa naka-open yung aircon. Electric fan. Bye.
So, pagdating namin ng Nusa Penida Port, nag-aabang na yung driver namin para iikot kami sa Nusa Penida.
We're here na. Nakarating na kami sa Nusa Penida. Yan na si Kuya. We're here na sa car with Sir Wijaya. Our first stop is Angel's Bilyabo.
Sobrang ganda, parang wallpaper. Pero ingat ka pag lumapit sa edge, baka biglang maging angel ka na talaga. Also, don't be fooled ha, when the waves crash hard, this angel can turn into a little devil. So stay on the rocks and just enjoy the view from above. Next up, akitin mo lang siya konti, is the Broken Beach. Despite the name, it's not actually broken, it's perfectly imperfect. The ocean carved this natural archway, making a giant circle lagoon that looks like a secret paradise. From up here, you can see the waves crashing through the arch. But everything is for viewing only. Pero honestly, the best part is just standing still, feeling the breeze, listening to the waves, and thinking there's more to life than the four corners of your 9 to 5. So book that trip!
Hi guys! Ginawa vlog ko. Sige. Magla-lunch na kami. And... Uy, bumpy ha? Girl, nang itim ka na. Silky. Hala! May pa-V ka dyan.
Mabilis kasi talaga akong mangitim. Tapos matagal akong pumuti. Totoo nga! Bakit ako tinatawanan, Zay, ha? Tawa-tawa ka dyan.
Pakita ko lang yung nails.
Kainis.
After lunch, we went straight to King Beach, aka the famous T-Rex spot. The one you see in every Bali travel Instagram post. The one that makes you say, OMG, ang ganda, gusto ko pumunta doon. Until you realize you actually have to go down there. If you're not mentally prepared, just take pictures from the top B. Like us, wag mong pilitin because the stairs are steep, the rails are twigs, and your survival depends on sheer willpower. And your legs, good luck. May next destinations pa tayo.
Tinulak nila yung tour guide namin sa cliff.
Like,
Sa
as
cliff.
in. As in.
Itsura ng girl na nantulak.
Oo. Kasawa sila eh.
Pero yung girl kasi nanunulak doon.
Ewan. Tapos alam mo kung sinabihan man nila sana tayo na just one picture and then we'll go. Okay lang. Eh yung ganun na don't go up. Sabi ko talaga hotdog.
Tapos sabi pa, we'll call the police. So, tawag ka doon. Alis ka muna dyan sa pila. Tawagin mo yung police doon.
Sabi ng guide na isa, okay, you go to the police.
You're doing so much.
That's too much you are doing.
Wala pa yan, babe. Wala pa yan.
So, ito yung pila para makapagpa-picture ka doon sa may platform dito sa inuupuan ni Zai. So, ang siste is yung guides ang pipila for you because sobrang init eh. Yung mga guides nyo ang pipila sa inyo, isa-isa yan. Tapos tatawagin na lang kayo pag kayo na. Eh kaso merong mag-asawang Indian na hindi makaintindi dun sa system. So pinipilit nila na sila na yung nakapila. Eh sa likod ng guide namin may dalawa pang tour guides na nakapila din. Eh kami na yung nakasalang dun sa platform. Eh walang kahit anong railings yon. Tapos tinulak nung babae yung tour guide namin habang nagpipicture. Eh si Ai yung nandun, eh di kung tinulak yung guide namin ng malakas, di kasama din si Ai yung nahulog.
Ayun lang, share lang namin kasi nanggigil talaga kami. We're here at Amarta Penida. Mas maganda dito guys kasi sa Crystal Bay. Yeah.
Yun na yun.
Oo. Kasi ang gulo dun, no? Tapos ang init.
Hindi
Dami
ka
nagsusmoke.
bubble, hindi kasi tayo smoker. Eh yung pwestuhan doon, like yung tables and chairs, yung lounge, puro smoker. Kasi nga naman gets, kasi nasa bakasyon sila, nag-iinom sila, nag-ios.
Pero kasi ako, ang problema ko is yung beach.
Bakit? Anong problem?
Hindi ko kasi
Hindi mo bet yung beach.
The beach is not beaching.
Ako-
For me.
ako
Kasi sa
you're
dami
from
ng...
the Philippines.
Yes.
Mas marami talagang mas pretty na beach. Kaya siguro hindi natin feel yung Crystal
Lalo
Beach.
kami.
Yeah.
Alam mo kami.
From Cebu.
Lalo kami,
That's why.
galing ng Cebu.
That's why. Bless. Ay, rar. So, ayan na siya, Lu. So, mag-order muna kami ng food
This
for
one is good for sharing or
some
one time?
snack and iced coffee like that. Tapos, kada kami magpipicture. Silver lining!
Alam ko saan ko siya nakita sa IG. May
Ganda.
nag-post lang sa IG. Tapos sabi ko, ay bet ko yung post niya. Kaso sabi ko, ay parang hindi ito yung sa Limpuyang, keme-keme. Tapos, sabi no sa Penida nga daw yun, ganyan. Eh sabi ko, ay baka hindi naman natin mapuntahan kasi yung clock natin masyadong madaming madaming itinerary.
Bali Heaven's Gate Alternative dahil hindi kami nakapunta sa Lempuyong. And honestly, I think it's better dahil walang kaagaw sa photo shoot. Tapos, ang sarap pa ng food dito, guys. As in. And sobrang aesthetic. Parang every corner gusto kong picturean. Gusto kong magpa-picture. Photoshoot pa rin kahit pagod na. Finally, we ended the day sa Green Beach Inn. Perfect for resting your soul after surviving the cliffs and the chaos of Nusa Penida Day 1.
Grabe! Hirapan na naman ako balik ng ganyang kulay. Sabihin ko sana maputi, pero hindi naman yan maputi. So, sino ka dyan, Saya?
Sino ka dyan?
Tignan mo my sleeves. Oh my gosh. Ai, magpakita ka. Tignan mo si Ai.
Yung
Pulang-pula.
May bra.
Hala.
May bra.
Oo nga.
Tignan mo. Tapos, di ba nakalugay yung buhok ko? Tignan mo yung likod ng
Oh my God.
May ano, may
Oo.
mark nung,
Ayan o, ayan o.
oo,
Ayan o,
mark
ayan o.
ng buhok.
Hala ko.
Buti na lang nilugay ko yung hair ko.
Oo. Ay, oo nga.
Hindi kasi nga may hat ka, so yung shade nung ano mo, pag ano.
Oh my gosh.
Ang lala nung
Paano na to? Sleeves. My gosh.
Wait lang ah.
Sabi ko nga, mabilis tayong mangitim. Ay! Ang bilis naman! Mabilis mangitim, matagal, hindi naman ako maputi. So, basta bumalik sa kulay. Sa dating kulay. Grabe talaga. Diba? Oh my gosh. Good luck. First day.
First day.
Okay.
Hello mga ka-Barbie, it's day 2 of our Nusa Penida tour. So as you can see, we're still here at Green Beach Inn. Dito tayo susunduin to explore more of Nusa Penida. But first, syempre, breakfast!
Hala, nako.
Medyo maanghang. Pakta yung dalawa. Pero hindi ko sasabihin kasi baka hindi sila kumain. Kakain na sila.
Kaya ka lang.
Namatay yung muso ko. Kasama yung dila.
Kagaya ka lang. Bukod aral niya.
Okay na ako.
Simula ng buto. Para tayo yung ano yun yung Samyang Challenge.
Pasabot mo yata yun.
Option no.
Oh, banghang lahat.
Mukha pa kami kumakain ng maanghang te. Nagbubuo pa yung sili. May kasama ko utang ko. Parang pag-sinagay ko.
Hiniwa naman.
O, hiliwa-hiwa. Gumit mo sa pinggan mo para yung patas nandun din.
Yung pagkakamiwa, yung kasi ng carrots. Parang yung carrots. Parang
Oh, okay na kaya.
Hindi.
ano yan? Mga carrots, diba?
Ang lalaki, oh.
Pagkakutin pa sila ng carrots.
Hello, mga ka-Barbie! It's our day 2. We're on the way to snorkeling. Andun sila Ai. Bawal ako doon kasi maingay. May music. So, dito ako nag-intro. Yan na. Share ko lang.
So sinundo kami ni Blee from Green Beach Inn at nakarating kami dito ng 9 a.m. 9 to 9:30 yata. After registration, nag-orientation, then naghintay lang kami ng boat for the snorkeling.
Init na guys, 10 o'clock na. We're on the way na to the boat. We're here na. Sa oras natin na. Oh my God. Tama na yung tayo.
The ocean is wild today, but below all this chaos, it's calm. Like a different world you'll only get access to if you're brave enough to jump in. Halika na! So after snorkeling Manta Bay, Crystal Bay, Gamat Bay, and Wall Point, we're now back to the shore. By the time we finish snorkeling and change to our OOTDs, it's already 1 p.m. Lunch is included also in this Klook package ha. Pero yung restaurant na pagkakainan at saka yung mga ibang pupuntahan pa is an hour and a half drive pa. So here's the problem. Our boat back to Sanur is supposed to be at 3:30 p.m. So kung gusto namin yung sakyan, we have to go back to port after eating lunch because it's another 1.5 hours. So we have two choices. Either go back to Sanur now and call it a day, nag-snorkel lang kami, or chase the cliffs of East Nusa Penida, yung Diamond Beach, Atu Beach, Tree House, Thousand Island Views. But also, that means no way home, no room book, no plans. Pero, ano pa nga ba? Nandito na tayo, sayang. So we decided to stay. From lunch, we head to Diamond Beach. The cliffs look like marble, white stone against the brightest blue waters. The stairs are steep, but the view, look at that. It's so unreal. When we saw this, we were like, it's so worth it. Again, the stairs are too steep, so we didn't swim today. We just take it all in.
Hello mga ka-Barbie! Look at that.
Parang kulang pa yung blush on ko, no?
We're here at Diamond Beach. Look at that.
See, kung bumaba pa tayo, pinamatay tayo pang pareho.
Oh my God. So steep. It's so steep. We can't. That's why makit na kami. Look, guys. May beach pa dun sa baba, but we cannot na. That's so nakakapagod. Tsaka wala na kaming time. So, yun lang. And there's no water right now. That's why hindi na kami nagpunta.
Pero maganda pa rin siya. Parang ako, drained pero pretty. Our last stop, the famous Tree House and Thousand Island Viewpoint. Yung papunta dito is a steep walk down. Yung steps parang walang katapusan. Pero once you reach the bottom, it's like stepping into a postcard. The tree house or Rumah Pohon Molenteng is built right on the cliffside, a small wooden hut that feels like it's floating above the ocean. Most people come here for the view kasi tignan mo naman yan. From the tree house, aakyat ka na naman ulit ng konti, then you can see the Thousand Island Viewpoint where the cliffs drop into the sea and rock formation rise like islands of their own. It's calm, it's golden, it's the kind of view that makes you forget how tired you are.
Day, pagod na ako!
Pagod ka na?
Oo!
Ako din.
Tapos, sinatid na kami ni Blee sa bago naming accommodation which is Wani Valley. So we found this place, Wani Valley Resort. It's quiet, hidden away from the main road, and feels like the island finally decided to rest with us. Hindi kami makapaniwala na magkano lang to kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng accommodation sa atin sa Philippines nasa 5,000 na. Pero guys, look.
Guys.
Ang hirap pala pag may influencer kang friend.
Kasi tignan mo, babe.
Tignan mo kanina.
Oh,
Kanina
oh.
pa siya dyan.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Ah! Okay na, ma'am. Pwede na umalis dito.
Sa gilid lang
Pwede
daw
na kami
kami.
hindi mag-face the wall. Face the wall.
Be the wall.
Be the wall.
Be the wall. Bida-bida kayo
Pwede na kami umalis. Tapos na siya.
After we settled in at Wani Valley, of course, we have to eat dinner. Pero bago yon, chill muna tayo. At ano pa nga bang mas chill kundi sa kwentahan ng expenses. Ewan ko ba dito kay Ayi, imbis na pahinga, nagmamat. Samantalang kami ni Zay, wala nang brain cells.
Stress magbilang.
Pag mali-mali to, hindi ako sisihin. Sisihin nyo si...
Bintang. Hindi, yun na nga yun eh. Pagbibintangan ka namin.
Siya ang may kasalanan.
Anyway, this is our Nusa Penida Tour travel expenses.
Oh my God.
Meron kang 2.5 M. Ay, 2.
Pa rin? Ano, walang ginastos?
And we ended the day here. Dinner at Wins Cafe, then dessert sa Mishue. Miss you. Yeah! Kasi happiness talaga ang ice cream after ng nakakapagod na araw na ito.
Ang sweet nyo naman.
Ganun na kayo mag-kiss. Kasama ipin.
Tapos yung katabi ko.
Baka masama sa kulitan nila.
So these are quick tips for first-timers in Nusa Penida.
Hello mga ka-morning! Good morning!
And that's our Nusa Penida tour. Stressful, nakakapagod, pero super duper worth it. As usual mga B, if you love this vlog, don't forget to show the love. Comment, follow, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Ubud Edition. Halika na!